Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and pry up to undo 5 screws and then disconnect the connector to take out the wireless pad, and also disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the speaker cover by undoing 5 screws. Next, disconnect 2 main ribbon flex cables from the secondary board. Next, undo 3 screws and lift the broken charging port board by using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, place the new charging port board in the body and then secure 2 connector plugs and 3 screws into the board. Next, place the speaker cover by securing 5 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the wireless pad by securing 5 screws and connecting the plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are using binding clips to tie in the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.